Hello everyone, my name is Andrea. I am the Buckeye Stitcher. Welcome back to another video. This is going to be an update video for the week of September 8th through the 14th. So once again, didn't do too much. I'm still working on this cross for my brother and his wife, but let me just tell you what I did. So total this week, I did 1,000 phone, come on. I did 1,318 stitches in the last 7 days, or in those 7 days, I should say. Um, most of them, most of them are here. So let me show you the cross. This is where we're at with it. So I filled in a lot of the purples, and then I'm on the other side now. I'm gonna do the blues. So this one is now at 41%. So I think I can finish it. We're about halfway through the month and I'm about halfway through. So I think I will be able to finish it. I need to get back to it though, because I kind of got a little sidetracked. I will put a picture up here because I don't have it. It's in the other room. But the rest of those stitches actually came from this bookmark that I made. This is 12,000. Yeah, right. This is 1,200 stitches. I finished this in about probably 2 days. Um, and it was actually a bookmark I designed myself. So I was kind of like really excited to try it because it was my own design. So that's where most of the stitches went, was actually that this week. So I got to be a little better about doing the cross. But because I did that and I liked it, I'm starting to dabble in my own uh crossword. Man, I cannot speak today. Cross stitch patterns. So I was doing this last night. Here we go. I'm trying to get it straight. Um, there's a whole bunch more to that, not just that. That is probably a good 300 stitches because the red part is 140, 130, something like that. So probably 250 to 300 stitches. Did that all last night actually. Because I wanted to try and get it up on my Etsy store. So that's the next announcement. I opened an Etsy store for cross stitch patterns. So I would really enjoy if you would go over there, take a look. This is the only one up there right now, but I have a few more ideas for more patterns. But I would really enjoy and be very grateful if you would go over and check this out, and give me any critiques that uh, think would make my shop better, and make my products better. But that is about it. I really hope you enjoyed. It is Monday the 15th, and I haven't stitched at all. So I got to get back to it if I want to finish this. But I think that's about it. I'm going to get back to it, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy stitching.